Good morning everyone. So we will continue this exercise 3.1. So first bit already we did. Second bit I am starting. So what is second bit here? Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Okay, so which numbers they have given some set of numbers, which numbers are divisible by 5 and which are divisible by 10 we have to check. And check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. So if they are divisible by 10, they are divisible by 2 and 5 we have to check. Okay, so first numbers I am writing in the form of tabular form. So numbers, given numbers. Rule of 2. Rule of 5. And rule of 10. So which numbers are divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 5 and which numbers are divisible by 10 we will see. So in this first one, 25, 125, 250, 1250, 10,205, 70,985 and last one is 45,880. So which numbers are divisible by these three rules we will check. So first divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be an even number. So if they are even numbers or not we will see. So 5 is not a even number. So it will not satisfy this divisibility rule of 2. So no we will write here. Okay. Next again 5. 5 is an odd number because it will be not divisible by 2. Next 0. 0 is an even number, so it will be divisible. 0 again even number, it is divisible. 5 odd number, so it will not be divisible. 5 odd number, so it will not be divisible. 0 is an even number, so it will be divisible. Now divisibility rule of 5. So what is divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. If it is 0 also it is divisible. If it is 5 also it is divisible. So 5, yes. 5, S, 0, S, 0, S, 5, S, last digit is 5, S, last digit is 0, so S. Now coming to divisibility rule of 10. So what is the rule of 10? Last digit should be 0. So where 0 will be there, in last digit where 0 will be there, that will be divisible by 10 there. So this is 5, no. 5, no. 0, yes. 0, yes. 5, no. 5, no. 0, yes. Okay, so what you have observed here, so if it is divisible by 2 and 5, automatically it will be divisible by 10 also. So what is this? What they told to check? Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5. Yes. So yes, the numbers which are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5 also. So this is our second bit solution. Okay, next third bit you can do it as homework. Fill in a table using divisibility test for 3 and 9. So already I told you divisibility test of 3 and 9 both will be same. So what is divisibility rule of 3? The sum of all digits should be divisible by 3, and divisibility rule of 9 is sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. Okay, so this third bit you do it as homework. Okay, next fourth bit. So what is fourth bit here? Make three different 3-digit number using 198, where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers are divisible by 9. They have given three different digits. They are 1, 9 and 8. So with this 1, 9 and 8, you have to form three different numbers and the digit should not be repeated. So after forming the three different numbers, whether they are divisible by 9 or not, we have to check. So solution. So the three different numbers using 1, 9, 8 are. So how many different type of numbers we can form? Three different type of numbers. One is 198, 981, 891. So these are three different numbers using these three digits, and no number is repeating here. So now what we have to check? These numbers are divisible by 9 or not, we have to check. So what is divisibility rule of 9? So what is divisibility rule of 9? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. So whether they are divisible or not, you will check. So first number I am applying here. So add all the numbers. 1 plus 9 plus 8, that will be equals to 18. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is a multiple of 9, so it will be divisible. So 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore 198 is also divisible by 9. Now next number is 981. So again you check this. So what is that? 9 plus 8 plus 1, again it will be 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So therefore 981 is also divisible by 9. So what is the last number? 891. So 8 plus 9 plus 1, again it will be 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So therefore 891 is also divisible by 9. So all the three different numbers are divisible by 9 here. So this is our fourth bit. Next is Fifth question, fifth solution. So what is fifth solution? Which numbers among 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9 are divides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly? So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in reverse order and test which numbers divide it exactly. So what we have to do? We have to first check for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the given divisibility rules. And we have to reverse that number. What we have to do? We have to reverse that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the reverse number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So after reversing that number, again we have to check whether they are divisible or not. Okay. So what is the given number there? Given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. We have to check. This is a given number and reverse number is what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So at a time we will check for both the given number and reverse number. So first I am checking for divisibility rule of 2. Okay, what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be an even number. But in both cases, the last digit is not even number. So it will not be divisible. So given number is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not an even number. In the same way, we have to check for reverse number. What is the reverse number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whether it will be divisible or not, we have to check. Again, the last digit is not an even number. So again, no 1, 2, 3, sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not an even number. So this is divisibility rule of 2. Now we have to check for 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. So now divisibility rule of 3 I am applying. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits. So for both the values I am applying here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add all the numbers. So how much it will be? 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is, 5 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3 itself. So 15 is divisible by 3. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also divisible by 3. Now check for reverse number. What is the reverse number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whether this number will be divisible or not, we have to check. So what is that number? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again it will be 15 only. Okay, so 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is also divisible by 3. So this is divisibility rule of 3. Next we have to check for 5. So whether it will be divisible or not, we have to check divisibility rule of 5 now. So what is divisibility rule of 5? Last digit should be 0 or 5. So if the last digit is 0 or 5, we can say that they will be divisible by 5. Instead of 5 and 0, if it is other number, it will not be divisible. So what is the first number? 4, 5. So what is the last digit here? 5. So it will be divisible by 5. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5. Okay, now check for reverse number. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So is it divisible or not? We will see last digit is 1 here, so it will not be divisible in 5 table. So no, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is not 5 or 0. Okay, next we have to check for 6. So if 2 and 3 are satisfied, automatically 6 will be satisfied. So by using the before rules, we can write so already we have did 3 and 2 also. If 2 and 3 are satisfied, then 6 will also be satisfied. But in the case of divisibility rule of 2, 2 is not satisfied. And in case of divisibility rule of 3, both are satisfied. So here. So in this case, divisibility rule of 2 is not satisfied and divisibility rule of 3 is satisfied. So divisibility rule of 6 will be not satisfied. Therefore, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 6 because 2 is not satisfied and 3 is satisfied. In the same way, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 6. In this case also 2 is not satisfied, 3 is satisfied. So we can say that 6 is not satisfied. Okay, so next is we will check for 9. So what is 9? Sum of all digits should be divisible. So if you add all the digits, it should be divisible. It should be multiple of 9. So divisibility rule of 9. So what is divisibility rule of 9? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. So add all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you add these all, you will get it as 15. 15 is not a multiple of 3. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also not divisible by 9. Now check for the reverse number. What is the reverse number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So add all the numbers. Again the result will be 15. 15 is not a multiple of 9. Therefore 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is also not divisible by 9. So this is our fifth bit. So remaining bits we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.